Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Excel file is consistent and closed so Power BI can access it without locks. Once done, open Power BI Desktop and choose Get Data Excel. You want to preview sheets and tables because selecting a defined table or named range preserves headers and types. Make sure to select only the tables you need to reduce load. If you plan to refresh, use a OneDrive or SharePoint path so Power BI can auto-detect updates. Next, click Transform Data to open Power Query Editor so you can clean and shape the Excel data. You should set correct data types, remove empty rows, and split or trim columns. This prevents later model issues. Once transformations are minimal and efficient, use Merge or Append to combine tables if they share keys. Make sure relationships align to your model. Set cardinality and cross-filter direction where needed. When ready, click Close and apply to load the model into Power BI. Finally, validate your visuals and measures in Power BI Desktop, then publish to the service if you want sharing and scheduled refresh. If your Excel file stays in OneDrive/SharePoint, set scheduled refresh with the correct account. If it's on-premises, install and configure an on-premises data gateway. If something goes wrong, check the most common issues: file path changed, header rows shifted, or credentials expired. Repoint the dataset, fix the table headers in Excel, and rerun refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.